Hi, my name's Sorry from Home Ground Landscape Gardening. Welcome to our latest project here in a very sunny Cheshire today. Today I'm using the Handy Garden Trolley, and the clue is in the name of this. This really is a handy garden trolley. We use it pretty much on a daily basis for setting up the day's job, bringing all the materials, bringing all our tools in. Fantastic bit of kit to have on board. And we put it through its paces. We take it over all terrains. As you saw, we're on a fairly undulating garden. But a real asset are the puncture-proof tyres. So we can take it over chipped ground, we can take it over the occasional nail that makes its way onto a path or into the garden. We don't have to worry about losing those. The amount of wheelbarrow wheels I've lost over the time landscaping is immeasurable, to say the least. But really useful, will take up to 200 kilos, and if I want to save bending over, I can literally take the sides down. In this case, we've got some post grease on board. Each one of these bags you can see is 20 kilos. I had 4 of those on board, and also my hefty tool bag. But if you've got a large garden like this one here, and you're forever having to take materials to the bottom, bags of compost, bags of bark mulch, maybe cobblestones, gravel, that kind of thing, much easier, far less back breaking, and we're always looking at ways to save our back as a landscape contractor as I am. Anything that's going to speed up the job, anything that's going to get the job done easier and quicker, we always invest in, and we've been really happy with this. If you want to find out any more about Handy's Garden Trolley or their entire range of garden products, you can find them online by searching for the Handy Company, and you'll be able to see the vast array of not only labour saving devices but also garden machinery and other bits of garden equipment. Thanks for watching, and hopefully we'll see you soon. Bye bye.